So here I am going to show you my vegetable gardens, and the first starting from the banana trees, and we have here many bananas, and also I will show you there is many bananas, and already we have a banana in there, and I will show you the next one here. This is a small plant of tomato. So here we have another tomato, and then here this is a papaya, and this is already a small one, and we will have the papaya very soon. And here also tomato, small one, and we have here something we already planted here. And here all places are the greenish grasses, but here you can see this one is a ginger. So you could see the down place, you can see the ginger, and this is all many places you can see ginger. It's all over the places, here and there and there. And so look at that, really beautiful places in my village. And of course this is a beautiful long coconut trees. Coconut trees are everywhere. So let us go there and I will show you real banana. So here we have a lot of bananas. I think more than 10 banana trees is here, and here is a really beautiful banana. Look at that, this is real banana, and on this banana I think more than 70 or 80 bananas. How beautiful it is. And we must wait for until it would be yellow color. So this is the another banana. Look at that cute banana. I will zoom on it. You will see how beautiful, really gorgeous bananas. And also need to wait more than 1 month, and then it will be very beautiful yellow and really very tasty. So until now we need to wait till it would be a yellow one. So there is only chance to wait. Okay, here all our banana places. Now we move to another places. I will show you another some plants. So this is a pineapple small plant. It's grow already more than 6 months, but there is no, until now there is no any pineapple, but we must wait to grow up the pineapple. And also I have another pineapple, I will show you later. So look at this. This is real cute coconut, and this coconut we can make the oil, and also this what is a leaf we will take for another things. So this is a little bit big place. It is a ground, and I will show you there is a lot of small banana trees, and this one is small, so almost 1 month old. And you could see here another one, here another one,
almost many banana trees are here, and it's need almost 8 months or 10 months to grow to become getting the bananas. And this also the real one to getting nuts, a small one. It's a peas, green peas, something like that. And here you could see that it's a big one. It's really gorgeous.